Hello dear students of grade 8. Good morning and have a great day today. I pray for your good health and safety. Today you are going to a 10-second computer class of week 7. Dear students, in previous classes, you have learnt about unordered and ordered list in detail. Today, your topic of revision is nested list and description list in HTML5. So let's define these lists and see how these two lists are created in HTML. First we starts with nested list. A nested list is defined as a list inside another list is called a nested list. We can create a nested in two ways. Putting an ordered list in an unordered list, or putting an unordered list inside an ordered list. An ordered list starts with OL tag, whereas an unordered list starts with UL tag. Each list item starts with the LI tag. The list items are marked with numbers by default. Now let's watch a video to see how to create a nested list using OL tag, UL tag, and LI tag in HTML document.
Students, if you do well in this lecture, you will be able to explain the concept of nested lists and describe DL, DT and DD tags. Nested lists. Lists can be nested, meaning one list can be placed inside of another list. So, placing one list inside into another list is called nested lists. We may nest any list inside any other list. For example, ordered list can be nested in unordered lists. Or an ordered list can be nested inside the ordered lists. Let's have a practical demonstration of nested list. In the given practical example, we will be placing an ordered list inside into ordered list. First open Notepad. Type the basic HTML code structure. These are doctype, HTML, head, and title tags. Use any title for your page. Let the title of our page is nested lists. Now close the title tag and head section. After title, start the body section with the body tag. Add heading. Nested lists within H2 tag. Let's first start with an ordered list. The tag for ordered list is OL. In order to add items into the ordered list, we have to use LI, list item tag. So type LI tag, and then type the text you wanted to display as ordered list item. Let's first add all of the subject as in items in ordered list. So we are adding English, Urdu, mathematics, science, computer, social study, and Islamiyat as list items of ordered list, with default numbering scheme of 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. After adding items to the list, you have to close the ordered list by closing OL tag. Now we have to close the body with closing body, and document with closing HTML tag. After completely composing the HTML document, we have now to save our file with .html extension, as I am saving the file with nested lists. .html on my desktop. Once you save the file, you will see the file on your desktop with browser icon. Now click on the file, to open it in browser. Now in order to nest the lists, let's add an ordered list, into ordered list. As English is further divided into English language and English literature. So now we are going to add both of English language and English literature as an unordered list items, below the English list item. For this after English, we have to declare unordered list. The tag for unordered list is UL. Now add English language and English literature as list items of this unordered list. For this, type li tag, and then type English language and English literature one by one in li tags. Similarly add another unordered list below the order list item. For this repeat the steps which we did for English. Save the changes in Notepad, and refresh your browser, to get the changes. Dear students, for your practice, HTML code for nested lists is given here. Type the document in Notepad, and save it, with .html extension.
Dear students, next we will see what is a description list, and how description list is created in HTML. A description list is a list of items, with a description, or definition of each item. The description list is created using DL element. The DL element is used in conjunction with the DT element, which specify a term, and the DD element, which specify the term's definition. Browsers usually render the definition lists by placing the terms and definitions in separate lines, where the terms' definitions are slightly indented. To understand the description list, let's watch a video that demonstrate how to create a description list using an HTML document.
Description lists. The description list tag is used to build a list of definitions. A description list is a list of items, with a description or definition of each item. The description list is created using DL element. The DL element is used in combination with the DT element, which specify a term, and the DD element, which specify the term's definition. Use DL, description list, to create the list. Use DT, definition list term, to specify the term. Use DD, definition list description, to offer the definition. Let's practically demonstrate description lists. For this, open the Notepad and type the basic HTML code structure, starting with doctype, HTML, head, and title, tags. Use any title for your page. Let the title of our page is description lists. Now close the title tag and head section. After title, start the body section with the body tag. Let's create a definition list in HTML. For this we have to use a tag called as DL. DL is a pair tag, so we must have to use a closing DL tag. Inside the definition list, we have to create definition terms and definition data. To give a definition term we are going to use DT tag. Now DT tag is a pair tag, so we must have to use closing DT tag as well. In between these two tags, we have to give definition term that is ordered lists. Now we need to give definition to ordered lists. So to write the definition data we are going to use dd tag. Now dd tag is also a pair tag. It means that dd should also be having a closing dd tag. In between the dd tag I am going to write definition for order list. Once you completely code the file. Now, save the file with .html extension. I am saving my file with desklists.html extension on my desktop. Point out and double-click to open the file on browser. You will see that automatically definitions are intended one step forward. By this way, we can add more definition terms and their data. As I am going to add 2 more definition terms as ordered lists and definition list with their data. After having changes in Notepad file, now save the changes. Refresh the browser to get the updated output. You will see that all of the definition along with data will be displayed on browser. Dear students, the following HTML code will clear the concept of description list tags to you. Type the code in Notepad and save it with .html extension. The output of code is shown here.
Thank you, and have a great day.